Is this the cheapest all-inclusive in Montego Bay? We flew to Jamaica and we stayed at the SeaGarden Beach Resort in Montego Bay. This stay included access to the beach, unlimited food and drinks, nightly shows. But what was the experience really like? Let's start with the room. We had a balcony with no real views because there was construction going on this side. And so it's mainly the room that you would be staying. It's very standard, very bare bones. There's AC, dresser, TV, and a mini fridge. You have your bed. Really, only the essential things that you need. There's an iron and ironing board, an area to store your clothes if you need it. The bathroom has basic toiletries. There's no lotion or anything. Standing shower, blow dryer. That's pretty much it. All in all, I would say that for the price we paid, the food was actually good. Breakfast was a variety of things. You don't just get your regular breakfast items. You can have your eggs made yourself. You pick whatever ingredients you want and they make your eggs for you however way you like. And you see those burgers and those fries, those ones, bussin'. And you would actually get those burgers and fries on the beach side of things, but we'll talk about amenities in a bit. We got the hot dog and the condiments on the pool side of things. So if you're hanging by the pool, you can get your condiments, but there's also a bar over there. You can order whatever drinks you like. In terms of drinks, I think the drinks were just okay. I don't remember anything really exciting about the drinks, so the drinks were just okay. I will say this all-inclusive wasn't bad, especially for the price. I always preface by saying especially for the price, because you don't expect to pay that amount and be served first class, high class food. Be real with yourself. And I was actually surprised because I expected it to not be too good, but it delivered. Now let's talk about amenities. It's a pretty small resort, so we only had one pool. Then they also have the beach side. So there's this little walkway that takes you to the beach. If you're someone like me who doesn't feel too safe about just going into sea water or just going into the water like that, there is like a falls beach there where you can just enjoy and have a good time yourself. So there are activities that you can pay for at the front desk. They're either on site or off site. There are non-motorized activities involved, but they also have jet skis that you can rent, tubing. We saw a few people were tubing around. You can also book excursions. We actually booked a package where we went zip lining, there was ATV, and we did the cold mineral bath. It was cold and I was a little bit uncomfortable, but once you step into it, it's pretty chill and nice. Your body gets used to the temperature, and I would actually do it again, even though I was a little bit terrified at first. By the way, I just want to give a big shout out to whoever was in charge of music, the DJ or whoever. The music, 10 out of 10. Now let's talk about environment. This is Montego Bay and this area was very close to the airport, so you will see or hear planes landing. Now, stepping outside the resort, Montego Bay is very lively. Once you're off the property, you will notice a mix of local vendors. There's just generally a lot going on because there are a lot of other hotels and other resorts. Just note that the hustle is real. People will be coming up to you offering taxi rides, excursions, and kush. If you know. If you're not interested in any of these things, just be polite about it and they'll leave you alone. Now let's talk about price. SeaGarden is definitely on the affordable, if not most affordable portion of resorts. I went in September, and for 2 people, 4 nights, we paid $712 total, which is about $356 per person. It's obviously not luxury, but it's decent. You're obviously not getting 5-star vibes. You're getting beach access, multiple meals a day, multiple drinks a day, entertainment, and a staff that really tries. The employees are very friendly. One of them actually recommended a local spot for me to braid my hair for the low, and it was really nice. Little things like that make the experience more personal, I think it gave what it was supposed to give for the price, and if you go with realistic expectations, you will have a great time. So overall, I will say SeaGarden Beach Resort is for travelers who are looking for that budget-friendly, all-inclusive experience without spending money or splurging on a big-name resort. If you're flexible, friendly, and you just want to hang out somewhere, drink, eat, lie by the beach, have a good time, then this place might be for you. But if you're looking for a luxury escape, luxury bougie life, gourmet food, then maybe this is not the place for you. Either way, I had a good time, and I think anyone with the right mindset can have a good time here as well. But drop comments below. Let me know if you would stay at this place or if you'd rather pass. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Stay awesome.